Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Hey, I'm doing a little quick video here to share something with y'all here. I got some neighbors of mine, shoot, been neighbors over 10 years, maybe longer than that. They live around the corner that goes fishing a lot. And they like to take food on the boat with them to eat lunch, you know, when they get hungry, you know, in the middle of the day. And I created something for them, and they absolutely love it. And I do this maybe 5 or 6 times a year for them. They take fried chicken and pork chops that I cooked the day before, and they'll pack it up the next day and take it with them, and they'll eat it. Not really cold. It's usually room temperature about the time they eat, and they eat on the boat, which is nothing better than leftover fried chicken that's not hot, it's not really cold, it's just there. You know how when you go on a picnic and you take chicken with you or take food with you, it's not really hot, it's not really cold, it's just like, you know, just room temperature. And this is what I'm going to do for them. But I fried a different way and marinated a different way. So what I do, y'all can see in the previous video, I guess I should have showed y'all, but I had to do this the night before and I didn't think to do a video of it. All I did, I got chicken thighs here and I got pork chops here that I do my seasoning with. You know, my cavenders and my old school shake and granulated garlic. I season the chicken and the pork chop really, really good. I put it in a plastic, a Ziploc bag like this, and I pour buttermilk over it and let it sit all night. And then today, right now, all I'm going to do is drain the milk off of here really good. I'm going to bread it with whole wheat, with all-purpose flour and fry it in the deep fryer. That's all I'm going to do. And then I'll let it set up, and then they'll come get it later on, and they'll take it with them in the morning when they go fishing on the boat. So anyway, I'm letting my fryer heat up here. What I'm going to do right now, while it's heating up, all I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to drain this marinade off the chicken and the pork chops. I got a colander in the sink here, which I'll show y'all in a second. Pour this off. This is something I created more than a few years ago. More than I got it in the sink here. And I'm gonna just let this drain off. Take me a spatula here and get as much of this marinade off as I can. And then after this, drain off by 10 minutes. I'll let it sit here and drain like 10 minutes in the sink. I'll come back and all I'm gonna do is bread it one time with the flour and fry it off till it's golden brown. And this is the most flavorful fried chicken, the most flavorful pork chop you probably ever eaten. Especially the next day, it's awesome. And they love it. Like I said, 5, 6, sometimes 7 times a year I do this for them. So anyway, we'll be back when my oil heat up in the fryer, and we'll fry up the chicken first, and then we'll do the pork chop. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back here. And like I say, all I did was marinate. Was drain the marinade off of here. And all I'm going to do the chicken first. Takes a little longer on the chicken. These are chicken thighs too. Everybody loves the chicken thighs. It has more flavor. I think the thighs have more flavor than anything. And y'all noticing I'm not using the shake and bake on this. I mean the shake in the bag. I want to make sure this is really coated really good. Shake all the excess flour off and throw it into the grease. That's it, y'all. One more in there. You let them fit one more. Let that calm down a little bit. Put the other one in there. And that's it, y'all. We're going to let that fry. And I'll be right back to show you the final product. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back here. Okay, we got this much done already. See how pretty that is? I got one more pork chop to do and a couple more chicken thighs. and this will be ready. Like I was telling y'all, very simple. All I do is put it in the bowl here. I don't add nothing to it because I already got enough liquid on there from the marinade or the buttermilk. Just throw it right into the fryer. And I'm going to put the pork chop in here too with the chicken. Y'all gonna get it all cooked off. Very simple. And like I say, this chicken I had to come up with, this meant something that they could sit overnight and still have the flavor the next day. And I'm telling you, eating this cold out of the refrigerator, like if you ever raid the refrigerator at 2 or 3 in the morning and get you some of these pork chops, it's cold. Don't even heat them up. And this fried chicken is amazing. I don't know why I haven't shared this with y'all before. So anyway, I'm going to cook this off and I'll show y'all the finished product. When I get back, I might eat a little bit of pork chop, a little piece of pork chop off of here. But we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. Okay. This time, it's one of the rare videos that I can't taste my food because, like I say, this is for my neighbors. I want to show you how crispy those pork chops are, golden brown, the chicken. Hear that crispiness? See if I find a little piece. Still a little piece of that. That's the skin there. Oh man. Like I said, this stuff is amazing out of the refrigerator cold. I don't know how many times I have had this in my refrigerator. Get up like 1 or 2 in the morning, you're hungry. Grab a couple pieces of this chicken, some white bread and some potato salad. Get nothing better. You don't have to warm it up. But anyway, I'll put the recipe down in the description box. Like I say, it's very simple. Just season your chicken up, put it in a bag, pour some buttermilk over, let it sit 24 hours. The buttermilk makes the pork chop and the chicken so tender, more tender than normal, because the acidity in the buttermilk. And you just fry it off the next day. You can do it in a skillet or, like I said, I do mine in the deep fry. But anyway, if you like this video, please share, please subscribe, please comment. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. And remember the hashtag 2021, help somebody old school soul food. So until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. See y'all.